Bro, are you also looser? We've all been there. The script is against you, your players feel like they're running in mud, and your 100 rated striker keeps hitting the post. Most people quit, but today, I'm showing you how I broke the script to fight my way into Division 1. If you think the game is rigged, watch this. First of all, stop blaming the script for your losses. If you're stuck in Division 3, I used these exact steps to hit Division 1 on a free-to-play account. And stay tuned, because the last secret is the only reason I beat top 100 players. Method 1 is the skill move meta. On mobile, you can't spam skills like on console, but there is one move that is broken in Division 1, the double touch. But here is the trick. Most of you are doing it too late. In high divisions, defenders use matchup to wait for your mistake. To beat a Division 1 defender, you need to trigger the double touch before they reach you. This forces the AI to freeze. Watch how I use it here with player. It's not about speed, it's about the timing of the flip. Method 2 is your tactical blueprint. If you're playing quick counter on a mobile device, you are leaving huge gaps because the screen is smaller and manual switching is harder. I switched to long ball counter for one reason. The defensive line stays deeper. On mobile, defending through balls is a nightmare. By using long ball counter and setting my DMF to deep line, I create a wall that the AI handles for me, allowing me to focus on manual interceptions with my AMF. Stop chasing the ball. Let them come to you. Method 3 is about your finger movement. Most players hold the dash button the whole game. This is why your players feel heavy. In Division 1, you only dash when you have open green grass. When you're in tight spaces, let go of the sprint. Use just the left joystick to navigate. This increases your dribbling stat hiddenly because the ball stays closer to your feet, making it impossible for the opponent to steal it. Now, for the final piece of advice that separates the top 1,000 players from everyone else. It's not a formation, and it's not a player. It's a curse called 3-row win curse. After a win streak, the matchmaking algorithm often pairs you against top 100 pros or high-leg servers to test your rank. By taking a 2-hour break, you reset your matchmaking pool. And that is exactly how I made the jump into Division 1 this season. Look, eFootball can be one of the most frustrating games in the world, especially on mobile when you feel like the lag or the script is working against you. But remember, every top 100 player you face started exactly where you are right now. The only difference is they've mastered these small details, from the LBC tactics to that ghost pressure technique we just talked about. If you found even one of these tips helpful, do me a huge favor and smash the like button. It really helps a smaller creator like me get noticed by the algorithm. And if you're serious about improving your game and reaching the highest ranks, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm going to be dropping a full squad breakdown next week, showing you the best hidden gem players that actually play better than 105 rated epics.